I wanted to share with you the stages that I'm at with this renovation. And I've been all over Christmas, all over New Year. I've got my renovation gear on. I seem to be living in this gear at the moment. But I wanted to share with you the project and what I've been doing and how busy I have been with this since I've moved down here. So you can see the fireplace is all done. Now, what we're in the process of doing, I've got a carpenter that's working alongside me. He's actually helping to put the floor down. I've got click lock flooring that's going to go throughout here. I'll just share with you. It's chaos at the moment, but that's all covered up. I've been painting the hallways, getting that done, removing all signs of the old timber, the old 70s style timber, and there's paint everywhere. So yeah, just the hallway, click lock flooring. You can see here, if I can just share and show with you, it's a very light bleached chestnut color. It's got a light grey through it. That's halfway done. I've got the carpenter coming back this morning. You can see the old timber floors, which are lovely. However, they are such a mess. If we move into here, I just want to show with you the mess that they are in. I don't know if you can see the chunks that have been taken out of the floor. And as I walk across this timber floor, the glue is sticking to the bottom of my shoes, and it's due to the layers of laminate. You can see this is the original laminate, that side there. That's the original laminate that was on the floors, but there was another layer on top of that. And so due to that, literally he's just taken chunks out of the timber floor when lifting it up. So it was back in the day, there was no allowance whatsoever for changing of laminate or taste or design, because they definitely laid it there intended for at least 50 years, because this house is 50 years old. But it needed to come up, and with it came half the flooring as well. So we're going to, so that click lock flooring that's in there, you can see there's the new stuff. This is the old stuff. As much as I'd love to keep that Tassie oak, which I tried and wanted to, there's no way that I could have kept it because of the damage that's been done in here, and I wanted it to flow through, the same flooring to flow through the house. And you can see there in the kitchen, that's the other layer of laminate, and underneath that is another layer. So it's just pulling that up at the moment. It took him half the day to actually pull this laminate up. The perils of real estate. As I'm going to wander through here, I've worked my way through. So there's a hallway here. I mean, back in the day, they were big on their big grand hallways or entrances. And as I walk through around again, there is another hallway and another entrance. So it's like a room in itself with, I think, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doorways. 6 doorways with door jambs that have to be undercoated and painted twice. So it's been a tireless effort in getting this done. Timber floors, you can still see, are still there. Then we walk through to another area, and this is where the house divides. This was added at a later stage, but not too much later. They've done a really good job of blending it into the main part of the house. We've got another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doorways in here. Again, undercoated, two coats of paint. There's an external doorway there. There is a laundry doorway here, and there is a toilet doorway there, and there is a doorway that goes heads on into my office. And so brand new toilet's gone into here, and the laundry's been completely refurbished. I'll show you that at a later stage. And then we move on into my office studio, and I'm actually going to put a bit of a bed sit in here as well, so there'll be a bed for guests. But again, still in disarray, still very disorganized, but doing a lot to get stuff done. So the flooring in here is all completed, and I will be at some stage whitewashing those brick, that feature brick wall as well, which will come up a treat.